Hi, I'm Jane Park, and if you're looking for a family home, then there are some things that you won't want to compromise on. Welcome to 81 Waipapa Road. Location, sun, space, and secure garaging means you don't have to compromise. This home truly has it all. Just a few steps up from the road and positioned beautifully for sun in one of the best Hataitai locations, this is one handsome character double bay villa. With a floor area of 190 square metres, there are 4 large double bedrooms with 2 bathrooms, a sizeable laundry and 2 living areas, so your family will have plenty of room to grow and enjoy all this home offers. The formal living room with its high stud, bay window and LED lights also includes a superb floor-to-ceiling library and built-in desk. A generous and comfortable room for relaxing work or play. The farmhouse kitchen boasts sturdy cupboards and drawers still in great order after generations of family use, and there's ample room for the kitchen table. Or you could utilise the adjoining sitting room as a more formal dining option. A beautifully landscaped rear courtyard, garden and lawn is perfect for barbecues with friends and family. And it's all fully fenced for children and pets. This has been such a happy home for raising a family, but our owner's children have now grown, so it's time for them to pass the keys on to a new owner. So here's your chance to secure your family's future in this fantastic home in family-friendly Hataitai. So call me, Jane Park, or Kendall Eade for a private viewing, or we'll see you at the open home.